Hello everyone, today we will start a new lesson 6.5 Galaxies. In this topic, you will discover that galaxies contain dust, gas, stars, and other solar systems. In this lesson, we learn keywords like elliptical, galaxy, regular, spiral, stellar, dust, universe. Getting started. Work in pairs. Arrange these objects in order from smallest to largest. Star, solar system, planet, galaxy, moon. Exactly. Number one, if you wanted to arrange this object from smallest from smallest to largest one is solar system, and the smallest one is stars or galaxy or planet. Number one, moon. Number two, planet. Number three, star. Number four, solar system. Number five, galaxy. The Milky Way. If you look at the sky on a clear night, far away from any lights, you can see a Milky Band across the sky. This Milky Band is a part of the galaxy where we live, called the Milky Way. The photograph shows what this looks like through a camera set for set for very low light conditions. In this paragraph, the very important sentence is this Milky Band is part of galaxy. We can ask a question here like complete. The Milky Band is a part of space. You should write galaxy. Where we live, called the Milky Way. What's the meaning of Milky Way or what's the definition of Milky Way? It is a band and it is a part of a galaxy. The word galaxy comes from Greek word for milky. Shapes of galaxy. What are shapes of galaxy? Galaxy looks like a band across the sky is because of the shape of the galaxy, and the Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. Spiral. Look at this picture here. This is what the Milky Way would look like from far away. From far away, we can see the Milky Way like this. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. Spiral. If you were to look at the Milky Way from the far away, it would appear as a spiral. This picture is a spiral. Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. Why we say spiral galaxy? Because we live in a spiral galaxy, we can only see 1 hour of the spiral, which is that band across the sky. How many stars in the Milky Way? How many? There are an estimated 250 million stars in the Milky Way, including our sun. There are other galaxies in the universe besides our own. The word universe is used to describe all of the space and everything in it. These other galaxies have different shapes and they are classified according to shape. They are called elliptical galaxies or irregular galaxies. There are other galaxies in universe besides our own. The word universe, what's the meaning of universe? We should say all of space and everything in it. These other galaxies have different shapes and they are classified according to the shape. They are called elliptical, elliptical galaxies or irregular galaxies. When I ask you a question like what is the shape of galaxies, you should say it is irregular galaxies and elliptical galaxies. There is three picture and it is have different shapes like spiral, elliptical, and irregular. They are the three shapes of galaxy: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. The closest known galaxy to the Milky Way is called Canis Major. It is the closest galaxy to the Milky Way. Dwarf galaxy, it is elliptical in shape and distance away from us. Uh, Number B is um, dwarf galaxy. Number A, Canis Major, because it is spiral. Number C, it is irregular galaxies. What are galaxies made of? Galaxies are made from stellar dust. Stellar dust. What are the stellar dust? It is a gas, stars, and solar system held together by gravity. Stellar dust is the dust that is found in space. The Earth is traveling through a cloud of stellar dust that is estimated to contain an average of one dust particle and very million cubic meters of space. The gravity holding a galaxy together, it is very strong because galaxies are very large and have very large mass. Even if you could travel at the speed of light, 300 kilometers per second, it would take you more than 100,000 years, 10,000 or 100,000 years to cross from one side of the Milky Way to the other. Scientists estimate the mass of the Milky Way to be um, 1 billion and over 15 billion or times the mass of the sun. How many galaxies are there? The answer they got was 100 billion galaxies. The scientists may not know the total volume of the universe accurately. Now we answer this question, and you can say if you have any difficulties, you can write your ask in the comment. Thank you and goodbye.